Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to log into your Snapchat account. Accessing your account is the first step to enjoying all the features and connecting with friends on Snapchat. So, let's get started on how to log into your Snapchat account. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once the app is open, you will see two main options, sign up and login. Tap on the login option to proceed. In the login screen, you will find a field where you can enter your username, email or phone number. Type in the information you used to create your Snapchat account. Then, enter your Snapchat password. Finally, tap on the login button to access your account. And this is how you can log into your Snapchat account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.